Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna see how to study repertory and simultaneously we'll see how to write answer which is a complete answer asked in exam for 20 marks. Like for example Keynes repertory, BBCR repertory, usually these three repertories are asked for 20 marks, that is long answer question. So we'll see how we can attend and how to study the other repertories also. We'll see simultaneously with this format. So while answering the repertory, firstly we are gonna start repertory answer by writing the full name of the repertory. Always remember that you have to always write the full name of the repertory. Full name of repertory. Then next point will be author of that particular repertory. You will write the full name of author, not just Kent, but the full name of Dr. Kent. Okay, then this is what example was. Then year of publication. This particular repertory has published in which year, that you will write. Then we'll write the class of repertory. In this you will write what are the classification of that particular repertory which is asked. Okay, so for example Keynes repertory, which is logico-utilitarian repertory, it is also called as general repertory. So this will come under this class of repertory. You have to mention this also. Then fifth one, editions. How many editions are there present in that particular repertory which is asked, that you have to write. Also you will write what are the contributions given by authors in that particular edition, that also if you remember you can mention. Otherwise just mention the name of that author which has given contribution and the edition and the year of edition. Okay, also mention year of edition. Then history. Here in history what are we gonna write, that is how the repertory was published, what are the references, what are the sources of repertory. These points you will cover in the history. Okay, then philosophical background. Here in the philosophical background we'll see what are the fundamental concepts of that particular repertory, then what are the repertory based on, what contributions are done by that particular author, or is that repertory revised from any other repertory which is having some reference to that particular repertory. This will come under the philosophical background. The fundamentals of that fundamental concept of that repertory you have to write. Like for example in TPB there is doctrine of concordance, then plan and construction of that repertory. Okay, so in plan and construction you will write number of chapter, then arrangement of rubric, then you will write number of drugs or number of medicine which is given in that particular repertory. Then you will write grade of remedies, that is typography. Okay, this is also called as typography. This is usually asked for 2 mark separate question. Okay, then nextly we'll write how to use repertory. Okay, how to use this particular repertory. If for example any repertory you take, like Kent's repertory, then Kent's repertory is based on generals to particulars. So on that logic we'll be writing like mental general symptoms. On that, what are the mental general symptoms we take, like will, emotion, and all that will come under the mental general. Then physical general symptoms, then physical particular. How basically we solve case by using this particular repertory, that you have to mention in the how to use repertory. Okay, now nextly what are the special features. what are the special features of that repertory we are going to write. In that special features, like what, for example, in Kent's repertory, it is having the deductive logic, which is from generals to particular, that will mention in that. Then what are the cross references, what are the references, how is the gradation given, what are the meaning of those gradations, which is special for that particular repertory, that you are going to write in special features of that repertory. Then advantages, you will mention the advantages point wise. Then disadvantages, that is criticism, it is also called as criticism. Okay, so this you will mention these 2 points. This 2 points can be also asked for 5 marks separately. Then the special features, here in the special features, cross reference can be asked for 2 marks as well as for 5 marks. So let's see one by one now. As I told you, you have to write the full name of that repertory. You should not write half only like Kent's repertory, but you will write the full name of the Kent repertory. Then author's full name you have to write. Mention the year of publication. Also mention the class of that repertory. This you will get in the classification of repertory. What is the class of that particular repertory? Okay. Then what are the editions? Write year of publication properly and also the name of the contributors for that particular edition. Then history, in philosophical background. So we'll see first in history. So in history, you will write how repertory was published. Then what are the references? Then you will write sources. Okay, then here philosophical background, there you will write fundamentals, concept. So then what repertory is based upon. Okay, then in plan and construction, number of chapters, arrangement of rubrics, number of drugs, grades of remedy. Then here how to use remedy, that how to solve case by using that particular remedy, this you have to write in short. Then special features and advantages and disadvantages. So this was a format how to study repertory and how to write answer of that repertory. Okay, if you like such videos, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, I have Instagram handle called Dynamic Homeopathy. Do follow that and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.